Hello, my name is Angela McShepherd-Ray. I have the privilege of being the executive principal of Martin Luther King Jr. Academic Magnet High School of Health Sciences and Engineering at historic Pearl High. And I want to welcome you to this virtual platform that we're in and hope that you get all of the information that you need to make the best decision that you can make for the 2021-2022 school year for your child. Let's hop right into it. At MLK, our grades are 7th through 12th grade. Our middle school students take honors classes. Our high school students take honors and advanced placement classes. And in order to graduate from MLK, you need to select 3 advanced placement courses to take. They're your selection, but you have to take 3. We have a world-renowned faculty that works with our students each and every day to make sure that they're getting the best education that they can possibly get. And we have a very diverse and outstanding student body. One reason, I'm sure, or a couple of reasons why you're looking into selecting Martin Luther King, or like we like to call it, MLK. So without further ado, I'll turn it over to more people so you can learn more about MLK. Welcome, thank you, and I'm biased, but MLK is the best place to be.
Hello, my name is Sarah Laus, and I am one of the MLK school counselors. The 2021-22 optional school application window is from Monday, January 25th to Friday, February 12th. As MLK is an academic magnet, students must meet certain academic and testing eligibility requirements in order to apply. Students must have an academic average of 85 or above for all subjects combined for the spring semester of the previous school year and the first grading period of the current school year, with no failing grades for any grading period in this time frame. Students must also meet the test score requirement with national Stay9 scores in reading and math from the 2019-20 school year that total 13 or higher. An English learner will meet the requirement with the Stay9 of 6 or higher in either of the 2 subjects. Please know that MLK will only be listed as an option on the online application for students who are eligible based on the aforementioned academic and assessment criteria. For more information about the application process, please go to mnps.org. Thank you.
Hi, I am Marquise Churchwell, the assistant principal for middle school and the athletic director. We have sports for both middle school and high school. In middle school, we have girls soccer, volleyball, basketball, and track. Boys, we have boys soccer, wrestling, who we co-op with Head. We have football, and we co-op with McKissick. We have basketball, and we have track. For high school, we have the following sports. We have football, we co-op with Pearl Cone. Boys and girls soccer, volleyball, boys and girls basketball, boys and girls track, cross country, bowling, boys and girls, and we have cheer.
Hello, my name is Nathan Waddell. I'm the 9th and 10th grade assistant principal. I was born in Memphis, Tennessee, raised in Knoxville, and have been in Nashville for over 10 years. I received my bachelor's and my master's degree from the University of Tennessee. I look forward to serving you and your students' needs here at Martin Luther King.
Hello, I'm Hope Strickland, the new interim assistant principal here at MLK, and I'm coming to you from the archives room, which is a special place in our school where we honor the rich history and traditions of our building and also our school community. I am going to focus in my role primarily on grades 11 and 12, so supporting students as they navigate those last really important couple of years of high school.
Hello, welcome to MLK and the Student Support Services team. Our team is comprised of the school counselors and our full-time social worker. Please see our contact information below each frame. We will take a moment to introduce ourselves and our caseloads.
Hi, I'm Susan Murphy. I'm new to MLK. I look forward to getting to know your students. I have students in grades 10 through 12 whose last names begin with A through G, and I have brand new 9th graders to MLK whose last names begin with A through G.
And I am Jenny Nichols. I have the high school H through O and the new incoming 9th graders that are H through O.
Hi there, I'm Tandra Freeman. I have 10th through 12th graders, P through Z, and then I have the new students, new to MLK 9th graders, P through Z.
Hi, my name is Sarah Laus. I serve the 7th and 8th graders as well as the 9th graders who were at MLK for middle school.
Hi, I'm Connie Hensley. I'm your college counselor. I work with your school counselors across all grades to provide college planning opportunities, and I especially work with the juniors and seniors on their college application and financial aid journey.
Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Williams. I'm your social worker and I serve those students who have been referred to me by your school counselor.
So welcome to the 2021 school year at MLK. Bye.
Hi, welcome. My name is Ann Hamilton and I am the current PTSA president at MLK. I have a sophomore named Alexander who has been at MLK since 7th grade. And some of the reasons that I joined the PTSA were because my kid doesn't need me as much anymore. He doesn't need me to tie his shoe or come and do class parties. So this is a way for me to become involved and know what's going on in the school and get to know the teachers and the administrative staff. And I've made some really good friends and gotten to know the admins really well. And I can say with just my heart that it is a great place to be. Even during these unprecedented times, they have really reached out to my son and to me to make sure that everything is going as smoothly as it can be with the virtual school, and we feel like that they are doing an excellent job with that. Also, it's a really good way to embarrass your kids, so if you want to do that, definitely join the PTSA. Some of the things that we do in the school, we provide the language lab software. We support the band, orchestra, choir, and theater with different requests that they have throughout the year that aren't covered by their normal budget. We support the teachers. We give them a startup budget every year that they can buy things for their classrooms, and that will help with supporting your children. And we support the college fair both with volunteers and financially. And one of our big things that we fund is Everett's, which is the communication software that we are able to send out emails to the parents and the students, and that way we can keep communication lines open. And we do lots more than that, and we would love to have you guys here at the school and to be involved. Go Royals!
Hi, my name is Xavier Neely. I'm a senior at MLK, as well as the president of the Student Government Association. MLK gives students multiple ways to be involved in school in non-academic settings, ranging from being on the basketball team to being in the fencing club. Students have multiple opportunities to express themselves. And two of my personal favorites are Heritage Day and the Talent Show. It's always fun to see a peer or a friend showcase their talents, whether it be wearing a cultural outfit, dancing, singing, or playing an instrument. It's always fun to learn something new about your friend that you didn't know before.
Hey, my name's Danny Sawyers. I'm a sophomore at MLK. Three of my favorite things about going to Martin Luther King Magnet would be the diversity of the school and how there's different backgrounds, cultures, traditions all around you. And the connection between the students and the teachers. So personally, my teachers want me to succeed. And we have this connection where if I'm like an assignment behind or I don't understand something specific, they're going to help me, and they help me manage my time between sports and school. And I really appreciate that. And the third one will be that everyone there wants you to succeed, and they'll always push you to your limit, past your limits, and make you strive to be a better version of yourself, not just academically, but as a person.
Hello, my name is Keyshawn Washington. I'm in the 10th grade, and I am my class's secretary. One of my favorite things about MLK is just how diverse everything is. Our population ranges in different ethnicities, cultures, sexualities, and gender identities. We are also a very accepting community. Another one of my favorite things is just how many different classes you can take. We are one of the only schools in Metro that offers Chinese as a class, which is my world language, and we also have over 30 AP classes. These AP classes can help you figure out what you may want to pursue in the future. Another one of my favorite things is just how diverse we have a catalog of extracurricular activities. One of those, which is fencing, which I'm a part of fencing club, and I probably would have never discovered how much I do enjoy the sport if it wasn't for MLK.
Hi, my name is Lily. I'm a sophomore, and some of my favorite things about MLK are definitely the teachers, along with the quality of the classes in general, and of course the diversity, what everyone says about MLK, but for good reason.
Hello everyone, my name is Lena and I'm an 8th grader here at MLK. I'm also a middle school student council representative. So overall, my experience at MLK has been wonderful and exciting at the same time. My 3 favorite things about MLK would be 1, the diversity. The school just has a very diverse vibe because there are many different students, and even like the teachers and like just the faculty and staff in general come from different backgrounds and different walks of life. So it just makes experience at MLK even more fascinating. And my second favorite thing about MLK would be the opportunities there. So they have many different sports, extracurriculars, and even during school clubs. I mean, they had those last year, but because of the current situation, we don't really have during school clubs anymore. But MLK still offers different opportunities and extracurriculars and stuff, even during these times. And having these opportunities available to you as a student is very useful because you get to know your interests before you graduate, and you might even be able to understand and know your desired career path before you graduate, which is also very useful. My third favorite thing about MLK would be the teachers and faculty and staff in general, because they never want to leave you behind on things. They want to keep you in sync with everything that's happening inside of the classroom and outside of the classroom, meaning in the school building in general. And they challenge you when you need a challenge, and they help you when you need help. And they're just always there for you. So those are the 3 reasons of why I love MLK. And thank you. Bye.
Hi, my name is Michael Bardis, and I am the World Languages Department Chair at MLK. I'd like to share some information about the different languages we offer. At MLK, we offer 5 world languages: Chinese, French, German, Latin, and Spanish. All 5 start in 7th grade and go through the advanced placement level. When students register for classes, we can often honor the top 2 choices. All languages have numerous extended learning activities, ranging from honor societies and clubs to exchange programs. For example, German has a long-standing program through the German-American Partnership Program. Students also take part in national competitions, such as the National French and Latin contests taken by students each year. Latin students have the opportunity to join the Junior Classical League, through which students can meet and compete with Latin students at the regional, mid-state, state, and national levels in academics, arts, and athletics. Thanks to the PTSA, our Martin language students, about 1,000, are able to use our World Language Lab at least once a week, primarily for speaking and listening practice and assessments. We strongly encourage students to take a 3rd year or more, as most universities now want to see 4 or 5 years of world language study. Those students who continue to the upper levels of MLK's world language courses are prepared to pass the entrance and placement exams in the language at the college or university level, which will allow them to use the language not only in a profession where bilingual skills are an asset, but also in their personal lives. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time.
Are you interested in computer science and coding? Are you interested in building in AutoCAD? Well, if you have a student who's interested in coding in block-based languages like Scratch, or text-based languages like Python, or anything along those lines, our engineering department is absolutely for you. Here at MLK, we offer 2 pathways in our computer science and engineering department. They're going to be Project Lead the Way, as well as computer science. In those pathways, our students will take courses such as Introduction to Engineering, Principles of Engineering, AP Computer Science Principles, AP Computer Science A, Digital Electronics, as well as Robotics, right? So we have a nice assortment of courses for our students to take. We also offer industry certification in OSHA, AutoCAD, as well as the Microsoft Office suite. Our students who are in our computer science program are also a part of Amazon's Future Engineers program, which gives them full access to Amazon's web service. So in that web service, our students can take courses in cybersecurity, they can take courses in cloud computing, or anything that they desire. So we encourage you all to please reach out and be a part of our engineering department and all of the great resources that we have available for our students. We also offer a number of after-school programs. We compete in FIRST Robotics, FIRST Tech Challenge, as well as TSA competitions. So if you're interested, please reach out and feel free to ask questions to myself, Dr. Joseph, your counselors, or other students who are in engineering to see if this is a good fit for you, all right? We look forward to hearing from you. And again, I am April Collins, and I look forward to meeting you all soon.
Hello, my name is John Womack, and I am one of the band directors here at MLK. I'm very excited to speak to you today about our outstanding fine arts programs. We offer band, choir, orchestra, drama, and visual arts as part of our regular school day. We also offer AP classes in visual arts as well as in AP music theory. If you have never been in a performing art and would like to be in band, orchestra, or choir, we do offer several beginner programs that require no previous experience to get started. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me at john.womack, W-O-M-A-C-K, at mnps.org, and I'll happily answer you or forward your question to the person who can. Thank you so much, and welcome to MLK.
Hello, and welcome to the MLK Virtual College Center. I'm Connie Hensley, your college counselor. Did you know that 100% of MLK seniors receive at least one college acceptance letter, with the vast majority earning multiple opportunities? Did you know that 98% of our graduates enroll in college the following fall, with the remaining 2% typically choosing military service or an organized gap year program? Our seniors are skillful at earning financial aid for their college journey. Last year's graduating class, even in these unusual days, brought in $16.5 million in scholarships. Our College Center goal is to make sure that every MLK student possesses the knowledge, the skills, and the attitudes to help them take advantage of a wide variety of post-secondary opportunities. We hope you'll join us for the journey.
As you know, this video won't capture everything that we would like to share concerning MLK, but we hope we've given you enough information so you can make an educated decision concerning your child's education. Thank you. Be well and safe.